Welcome to JH. I've been cracking open Topps Archive Signature Series for a while now, and it's always an interesting experience, mostly because every box is a total mystery. You get exactly one encased autograph card per box, pulled from basically any Topps or Bowman set in existence. It's the ultimate gamble, which is just a fancy way of saying you're paying a premium to potentially unwrap a massive disappointment. But hey, that's part of the thrill, right? Sometimes you pull a legendary Hall of Famer, and other times you get a guy whose greatest career highlight was once being mentioned in a local weather report. That's the risk you take, and apparently, it's what keeps us coming back for more. The cards themselves are actually well made, featuring a gold foil stamp and serial numbering to 99 or less, which adds a nice touch of prestige to your inevitable buyer's remorse. The on-card autographs are a huge plus, though, because they feel much more authentic than those lazy sticker autos that look like they were slapped on during a lunch break. With a massive checklist of over 100 players, you're constantly chasing your favorite stars or hunting for those elusive, low-numbered parallels. Sure, the resale value is a complete coin toss depending on the player, but if you enjoy the adrenaline rush of the chase and the surprise of seeing which obscure backup catcher you've just invested in, it's a blast to open.